Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to customize quick launch on Motorola Edge 60 Pro. First, we need to open settings. So just scroll up, click on your search bar, write settings. Now just scroll down to gestures, scroll down again to quick launch. Now just click on settings, and here you can choose what to launch, or if you want to use a different app that's not here, just click on this icon, and here you can look up the app that you want and choose it. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.